Hey, Mike with CoachMikeMcDonald.com here. In today's video, I'll be diving into how you can build a referral machine for your cleaning business. So let's get into it. What if I told you that your current customers are actually your best sales team? The problem is you're probably not giving them the best tools they need to sell for you effectively. You see, most owners think that referrals are just luck, but the reality is if you have the right system in place, you can start attracting referrals on autopilot. You see, a huge mistake that I see a lot of cleaning companies make is that they don't have an automated system in place to ask for referrals and reviews on autopilot. You see, the second you finish a job, you should have an automated email or text messaging system set up that goes out the next day asking for a referral. In exchange, you could offer them something like a discount on an upcoming cleaning. This way, it helps you boost recurring cleaning clients and bring in that additional revenue, but it also can help expand your customer base at the same time. Again, people love to refer things that they enjoy and had a good experience with, but most people are busy, so you really need to make it easy for them and set this system up on autopilot. So an example of this type of offer could be something like a dual-sided offer where you give one friend a $20 discount on their first clean, and then the current client actually gets $20 off their next one. In this type of scenario, it's a win-win situation, and then each client really feels like they're giving a gift to both sides, and they're not just doing you a favor, they're really helping out a friend. And creating a setup like this can also help create a viral loop where your cost per acquisition continues to drop as you grow and gain more referrals. So again, stop waiting for the phone to ring. Instead, build a system that drives a constant flow of referrals to your business and can help you grow on autopilot. And if you did need more high quality cleaning leads for your cleaning business, definitely consider becoming a partner of ours, where we've actually put together a system to help cleaning business owners generate high quality cleaning leads for their business on autopilot. So if you did want to learn more about that and becoming an exclusive partner of ours, click on the link in the description below to do so. And if you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to get the latest updates of new videos we put out. But once again, thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you more soon.